Traders, I'm going to show you the results of our VIP trade signals over the last 3 weeks. This is starting from when we upgraded our indicators and shifted gears with our trading strategy. The results that I'm going to show you are taken directly out of Telegram. I've taken snapshots of the signals and I've compared it with my MT4 as well. So in this video you're going to be able to determine as to whether our VIP signals stack up, are they any good, and how can you benefit from this. I'll come back to the charts in a minute. What I want to do is go directly to a spreadsheet to give you an immediate overview of the trades, and you can see most of these have been profitable. Scrolling down, so this is a list of the trades that I've recorded, taken from my MT4. I've placed everything into this spreadsheet, and you can see down here over the last 3 weeks we rounded off at about a 6R gain. It's, let's say, averaging 2R per week, give or take, right? But over the 3 weeks, 6R gain. So we've had a very profitable outcome with our signal. So let's go back to TradingView here, and I'll just run through. I've marked up these trades in green here. These are the trades that I've shown you on the spreadsheet. Give you a bit of an idea of our strategy and what's possible. Now, before I jump into this, understand that you can automatically copy my trades from Telegram directly onto, if we go to TS Copier here, directly onto your MT4 or MT5. There's a video how to set this up. So this is TS Copier. You can find out about this here, and come down, scroll down, and then you'll be able to copy the settings here, the settings code, and paste that into TS Copier. So it's a really easy setup. This is a video. And a bit of a word from our sponsor, me. Take up the 2-week free trial and see how this can be a game changer for you. Okay, free trial here. Silver if you want the signals by themselves, and gold if you're looking for the indicators. This link here will take you directly to my gold page, and if you click this one it'll take you directly to my WAP landing page. Now here's the thing. Okay, here's our WAP landing page. When you click get access, come back to this page. You're going to provide an email address so that you can log in here, and then you can click on Telegram. These are my Forex, my crypto VIP channels, and this will give you access right there. TradingView indicators, if you want that, click that and you'll gain instant access to the indicators. Click this and this will give you instant access to the course, to the members page. The password to this page is located in the Forex Telegram channel in the pinned message. So you can scroll down here. There's the two options. On the right gives you the indicators, on the left is signals only. 14-day completely free. Here's what you get. Join us, guys, and enjoy the success that we're experiencing here with this. All right, now I'm just going to run through and explain these trades. Okay, this one here was a counter trend on the left. We gained a little bit of distance. I always get a bit nervous with counter trend trades. They're risky, so my stop loss was pulled to break even and it pulled back into it and took it out. Fair enough. This one here, I think we had a trailing stop on that, but we closed it at this line. Just going to run up alphabetically in the opposite direction. And by the way, these are copy-friendly signals that are automatically copied to your account if you go the TS Copier option. I'm not including these extra trades that I've sent into VIP that weren't set up to be copy-friendly. Right, so let's just go back to these signals here. Okay, gold, we had pound dollar. So this is running in the opposite direction alphabetically. Okay, this one was a buy. Look at the trend. It's a trend. We're following the trend. Gained a bit of distance. Stop loss pulled to break even. That stop loss got taken out. This one here was a trend continuation. Again, going into the end of the week, I pulled the stop loss to break even fairly quickly on that one, and I let it get taken out. I was okay with that. And I mean, look what happened with this price action. So I think that was a pretty good call. Pound yen. Okay, we had a few of these. So that was the first one, was a buy. This one here, stop loss was pulled to break even. That got taken out on the sell. That was quite a nice one. Yeah, exit was 192,999 up here, so we gained about 1.57R on that. The pound Swiss, yeah, this was one that got taken out by about a pip, but you know, it's trend continuation. I broke my rules here. I didn't enter on the pullback. There you go. My bad. Pound CAD. Yeah, this one gained about 1R, and I didn't get to close partial profits on that, I don't think. It pulled back down into my stop loss, just slightly better than break even. But again, trend continuation trade. Pound Oz. Yeah, these break even stop losses are getting taken out. We could look at leaving these alone, guys, and just running with the stop loss where it's at, possibly. Or maybe even pull it down halfway or something like that. Let's give it a bit more room to move. But I mean, look, we gained 1R on this one, and then it pulled right back into our entry point. Stop loss was closed. Now this one here was part of a basket of trades I closed at the same time. So we had 3 that were slightly negative and another couple that were well and truly in profit. And I shut the whole lot down, I think the end of a session or something like that, just to secure profits and mitigate risk. So that was closed slightly neg, and I think there were 2 others like that. And of course, as I mentioned, there were a couple of others that were well and truly in profit. So the basket of trades was in profit. Trailing stop, this one got closed at around 0.29R. Yeah, Euro Yen, Euro CAD. Again, you know, it's a trend continuation. This was trending down, entered here, and I saw this higher low. We ended up closing this one in slight profit. As you can see here, 0.32R gained. Yeah, it's a bit of a trick managing these trades, guys. Not easy at the best of times. But I think we're doing pretty well. Euro Aussie. Now, I'm showing you these on the 4-hour time frame. Our entry point was, we were doing all our work on the 15-minute, but that's a completely different video. Oh yeah, this was the other one, slightly neg with a basket of trades. Towards the end of the week, I didn't want to take the risk, and the other 2 were profitable, and I think there was one more, that CAD Swiss, the next one. So you can see what we're up to. Right, just trend continuation. Yeah, this one entered here, it pulled all the way down to 1.5R, and then came back, and the stop loss was moved to break even. That got closed. This one again, stop loss was closed at break even. That would have been, you know, 3 or 4R target. The targets are dynamic, guys. They're not fixed. I'm going to set them a minimum 3R. Sometimes they'll be, you know, 5R or something like that. I just want to give the targets a bit of room to breathe so we can come in and, you know, do what we want to do with it at any time. This one here again, yeah, stop loss at break even. This one here, it gained about 1R. The stop loss was moved to break even, and then it pulled back and took it out. These break even stop losses. So here's the thing, you know, we could look to take 50% off at 1R. That's a possibility. All right, the Aussie yen, now that was quite nice. We had a good run with that. I had 4 or 5 trades all up. Here we go. Just let it load. And this is the outcome on my account. So the idea was you know, entering, closing the full position, and then re-entering on the pullback. Closing the full position, re-enter on the pullback. So, you know, we're gaining maximum profit from this, theoretically. So, yeah, trend continuation, then Aussie Swiss and Aussie CAD with the other 2. Now, guys, I'm doing a full mentorship program with this. All of our trades are covered in the mentorship. This was the other one, closed slightly negative. Yeah, not a bad call. Because that was part of that basket of trades. There's a full mentorship program with this. I'm doing 1 or 2 mentorship videos on a daily basis where I share my strategy. You know, everything I've learned over the years goes into those videos, guys. This one was a 0.43 gain. Why did I close that? For whatever reason, I can't remember. Could have been a trailing stop. Now, as I said, you know, we're getting some great results over the last, well, the trades that I've just showed you. You know, I've measured the profits fairly accurately here. It's 6R gain over 3 weeks, so that's averaging 2R a week. And you don't want to focus on any given week. You know, you want to look at this on a monthly basis too, I think. You know, the main thing is to have a profitable month every month. But, you know, we're really on track here now with the indicators and the strategy, how we've upgraded everything. And yeah, I mean, our members are pretty happy. So guys, here's an invite to join VIP. If you go to my website, anthonybourne.com, there's the free trial link. and the 2 options down here. So guys, with that, I hope you have a great day. And yeah, I mean, I'm really looking forward to next week. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.